Hello dear students, welcome back to Kalparuksha classes, and here is one more mathematics model question paper 2022, and this question paper is from Chitti Creations. I keep on getting all these question papers from many students. Alright, so already I have solved the MCQs from 5 question papers and 1 mark questions from 5 question papers. Already these things are ready, and you can get the link in the description, all the playlists. So whatever playlists are there, you will get those links in the description. Already I have posted them in the description. You can visit them. Now it is a time for 2 mark questions. Already one video is uploaded, and this is a second video. Alright, so the target is 5 question papers. In 5 question papers, the MCQs 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark and 4 mark. All these questions will be solved, so that you will get to know the nature of questions and how the questions from each chapter will be getting repeated. Alright, so let's get into the 2 mark questions here. So here is the first question from the third main. So 2 mark questions, 8 will be there. Actually it has to be 16. I think this is a print mistake. So this is 16 mark. Alright, fine then. So let's see the first question. So here is the first question. Solve 3x square plus 14x minus 5 equal to 0 by using quadratic formula. So you will see this question in every question paper. Alright, so how to do it? So just write the equation 3x square plus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0. Alright, and compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the value of a? 3. What is the value of b? 14. What is the value of c? Minus 5. Now use the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, because they are asking you to solve this by using quadratic formula. Alright, so now let us substitute all the values. So it becomes x is equal to minus b, means it becomes minus, then b is 14 plus or minus under root b square is 14 square minus 4ac, 4 into a is 3 and c is minus 5. Alright, then divided by 2a, 2 into a is 3. Now it becomes minus 14 plus or minus under root 14 square is 196. Then here it is minus into minus, it becomes plus. Alright, then 4 into 3 is 12, then 12 5s are, it becomes 60. 60 then divided by 6. Alright, so it becomes minus 14 plus or minus under root. So 196 plus 60, 6 plus 0, 6, 9 plus 6, 15, 1 is the carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 256, then divided by 6. Now what it becomes? It becomes minus 14 plus or minus, what is under root 256? It is 16, right? Because 16 square is 256, then divided by 6. Alright, so this can be split into 2 parts. One is x is equal to minus 14 plus 16 divided by 6, or x is equal to minus 14 then minus 16. I think I have less space here. Or x is equal to minus 14 minus 16 divided by 6. Alright, so x is equal to, it becomes 2 divided by 6, or x is equal to minus 30 divided by 6. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 6 1s are, 6 5s are. So x is equal to 1 by 3 or x is equal to minus 5. These are the two solutions what we have got. Alright, so this kind of question is very common. Make it sure that you learn about this quadratic formula question. This is getting repeated, and I guarantee you in the board exam. So whatever board exam question paper will be there. So in board exam question paper, this is a 100% sure short question. Moving forward to the next question. This is one more sure short question, that is a solve x plus y is equal to 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Whichever method you want, you can follow. So usually we use a elimination method, otherwise you can go for substitution method also. There is no issue with that. So they are not specifically mentioning anything here. So if they haven't mentioned, means you can go for any method. So x plus y is equal to 1. Let me call it as equation number 1. And second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Let me call it as equation number 2. So here x is there, here 2x is there. Let us multiply with 2 and here with 1. Now what these equations becomes, x into 2 it becomes 2x, y into 2 becomes 2y is equal to 1 into 2 becomes 2. Then afterwards 2x into 1 is 2x, then minus 3y into 1 is minus 3y, and that is equal to 12. Now let us subtract this 2x minus 2x, then it becomes plus here and here it becomes minus. So they get cancelled. 2y plus 3y it becomes 5y is equal to 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Alright, 5 ones are 5 twos are, so that's why the value of y is minus 2. So let me call it as equation number 3. Now let me put this equation number 3 in equation number 1 to get the answer. What is the equation number 1? Equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 1. Now what is the value of this y? Y is minus 2 and that is equal to 1. Look at this, x plus y is equal to 1 and I got the value of y as minus 2. So that's why x plus y means minus 2 and that is equal to 1. Now what it becomes? You can give these arrow marks. So it becomes x minus 2 is equal to 1. Now I will have x is equal to 1 plus 2, then the value of x will be 3. Alright. So 1 mark for finding y and 1 mark for finding x. Moving forward to the next question, they are asking you to find the sum of 1, 3, 5, dot 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 up to 199. Look at this. So first of all you have to write the given AP. So what is the given AP? 1, 3, 5, dot 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 up to 199. A means first term, that is 1. And how about D? Whether you need D or not, just check. D is equal to, what is that? So it becomes 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So this is the common difference. Now an means the nth term, or you can just take it as last term also. So last term is 199. All right, fine. So afterwards you are going to use the formula. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2, right? So n by 2 means how many terms are there, you don't know. All right, so that's what you need to calculate now. So an is equal to, what is the formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is there. And what is an? An means 199. So 199 is equal to a is 1 plus n minus 1 into d is going to be 2. Look at this d. Then afterwards we'll have 199 is equal to 1 plus n into 2 is 2n. Then minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Alright, so 199 is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1, then plus 2n. Alright, so 199, and let us bring this minus 1 this side, it becomes plus 1, that is equal to 2n, and definitely we can write 2n is equal to 200. 2 ones are and 2 hundreds are, and the value of n is going to be 100. Alright, so what is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to, this time I will use n by 2 bracket a plus l, because last term is known. What is the last term? 199. Look at this. So how much it becomes now? N is 100, 100 by 2 bracket a. What is the value of a? A is 1 plus l is 199. Alright, so it becomes 2 ones are 2 50s are here. Alright, so 50 bracket 200, 50 bracket 200. So now it becomes 5 into 200 is, our 5 twos are 10, then here 1 0 and here another 2 0. So the answer is 10,000. Alright, look at this. Okay, I hope you are clear with this calculation. 5 into 2 is 10, then 1 0 and another 2 0. So this is the sum of all these terms. So 100 terms are there. So we got the value of the sum of these 100 terms. Alright, make it sure that you are using all these shortcut and alternate formula also to get full marks. I mean, if you do by other method also you will get. We have another formula, right? What is that? Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can use that also if you want. Alright, but as we had this last term, I have used this formula. Alright, so here is the 20th question. Find the relation between x and y if the points a, x comma y, b minus 5 comma 7 and c minus 4 comma 5 are collinear. Alright, so what is the first point? The first point is a, which is like x comma y, and let me compare it with x1 comma y1. So let it be x1 comma y1, and second point is b, which is like minus 5 comma 7, and let us compare it with x2 comma y2, and third point is c, which is minus 4 comma 5, and which is compared with x3 comma y3. They want these points to be collinear. So collinear means, what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle should be equal to what? 0. Alright, so that is the condition. What is the formula for area of triangle? 1 by 2 bracket x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2, and that should be equal to 0. Just check this equation: x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. And let me send this 1 by 2 that side, and it becomes into. Alright, so let us substitute this. 1 by 2 I am sending that side, it becomes 0 anyway. So x1 value is x. Look at this, x1 value has to be taken as x. Alright, bracket y2 minus y3 means, look at this, y2 and y3, look at this, 7 minus 5, so it has to be written as 7 minus 5 plus x2. What is the value of x2? x2 is minus 5 bracket y3 minus y1. y3 is 5 and y1 is y. So it becomes what? y3 minus y1, 5 minus y, 5 minus y. Be careful while substituting all these values. 5 minus y plus x3. What is the value of x3? That is minus 4. So let us keep it as minus 4. Then let's open another bracket here. Alright, then it becomes y1 minus y2. y1 is y and y2 is 7. So it becomes what? Y minus 7, and that is equal to 0 into 2. Alright, so then afterwards we'll have x bracket 7 minus 2 is 5. Then plus into minus is minus 5 bracket 5 minus y. Then plus into minus is minus 4. Then in bracket we'll have y minus 7, which is equal to 0. Make it sure that you are substituting all these values very carefully, and check it one more time so that you won't make any mistake. If any one value is also made a mistake here, means the entire answer will be wrong. So you have to compare. x1 is x, it is all right. y2 minus y3 is 7 minus 5, all right. Plus x2 is minus 5 bracket y3 minus y1 is 5 minus y, that is also all right. Plus of, then x3 is minus 4 bracket, then y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2 is y minus 7. All right, fine. Then let us take next step. X into 2 is 2x, then minus 5 into 5 is minus 25, then minus 5 into minus y is plus 5y. Alright, then minus 4 into y is minus 4y, then minus into minus is plus, and it becomes 28, which is equal to 0. Alright, then afterwards only 2x term is there now, x term 2x, then minus 25 and plus 28. Look at this, so it becomes what? Plus 3. 28 minus 25 is 3. Then 5y minus 4y is plus y, which is equal to 0. Alright, so 2x is equal to, otherwise you can write it as 2x plus y is equal to minus 3. What they are asking? They are asking the relationship between x and y. This is the relationship. Twice of x plus 1 time of y is equal to minus 3. Otherwise you can write it as, how can you write? You can write it as 2x is equal to minus 3 minus y, and x is equal to minus 3 minus y divided by 2. Like this also you can write. So this is the relation. So this is also fine, this is also fine, and this is also fine. Whichever you want you can write down. No problem, no issue with this. This is fine. You got the final answer, right? And this is also okay, this is also okay. Otherwise you can write one more relation. What is that? 2x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Like that also you can write. Look at this, 2x plus, 3 is there, no, write that afterwards. Write first y. 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is also right. So whichever you write, everything will be all right. So 4 marks I have put here now, all are correct only. Alright, moving forward to the next question. Usually this applications of trigonometric question do not come in 2 marks. It usually comes in 4 marks. But this Chitti creation person has added this question. But it's okay, no problem. We'll get some idea. Let us solve these questions. A ladder 15 meter long just reaches the top of a vertical wall. Alright, so there is a wall like this. Alright, so let us name this wall as AB. AB is the wall. Okay, so let me write here wall, and a 15 meter long a ladder 15 meter long just reaches the top of the vertical wall. So here should be the ladder like this. So here is the ladder, so let me name it as C. So this is 15 meter, so whatever this BC is there, this is the ladder. Alright, and this has to be 90 degree. Afterwards they are saying if the ladder makes an angle of 60 degree with the wall. So this ladder is making an angle of 60 degree with the wall. So here it is, this angle is 60 degree. Alright, now what they are asking calculate height of the wall. So height of the wall means this AB. So AB is equal to height of wall. Height of the wall is equal to question mark. Alright, and we know that BC is equal to 15 meter. So it's quite simple, no? So in a right triangle ABC, what is the ratio you are going to apply? Here it is 60 degree, and we want this adjacent side, and we know the hypotenuse, it is going to be cos 60, right? So cos 60 degree is equal to adjacent. What is the adjacent side? AB divided by what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is going to be BC. Alright, so what is the value of cos 60 degree? So cos 60 is 1 by 2, and I told you the trick also. Cos 60 means you have to think sin 30. So sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to AB, we don't know the value, but BC it is going to be 15. Alright, so that's why you can just do it here. Let us keep AB here only. So AB is equal to, it becomes 15 by 2. AB I am keeping here only, 15 I am taking that side. So 15 by 2 means it becomes 7.5 meter. So height of the wall, so AB is equal to 7.5 meter. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14, 1 is a carry, and 5. Alright, so therefore height of the wall is equal to 7.5 meter. Very simple question. Alright, now coming to the second question. An observer 1.7 meter tall, okay, his height is 1.7 meter, is 20 root 3 meter away from a tower. Okay, there is a tower, from that he is 20 root 3 meter away, and his height is 1.7 meter. Alright, let us represent this situation. So here is the tower, for example. Let us draw this as the tower. Okay, so let me name this star as AB. So here is the tower, and that person is almost 20 root 3 meter away from this. So let it be 20 root 3, and this person is having some height here. Alright, so this is the height of the person. So let us name this as a CD. So this CD has to be 1.7 meter. Alright, I hope I have represented everything. Now afterwards what they are saying, the angle of elevation from the eye of observer to top of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, from this point to top of the star, so angle of elevation is 30 degree. Look at this, this angle they are talking about. Okay, so let me draw one dotted line here. Okay, so let this point be E. So this angle they are talking about, this is 30 degree. Alright, and definitely this ED will also be 20 root 3 meter for sure. Alright, now what they are asking us to find height of the tower. Alright, so let us do that. Now how about this AE? Look at this, this is 1.7 meter means, so how about this AE? So this is also 1.7 meter. Okay, let us write all those values. AE is equal to CD is equal to 1.7 meter. Alright, then afterwards AC, look at this AC, and similarly AC is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Alright, I hope it's clear. And how about AB? So AB is height of tower, and that's what they are asking us now. Now in that AE is known, now you have to find out EB. So if you find out EB, then we'll get to know about that. Now can you consider this triangle BED? Look at this triangle BED. So I'll write in a right triangle BED. So this is 90 degree, right? So what can you apply now? So this is known, so you can apply tan 30. Tan 30 means opposite is EB and adjacent is ED. Alright, so it becomes a tan 30 degree is equal to EB divided by ED. Tan 30 degree is equal to EB divided by ED. Alright, so what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and that is equal to EB. What is the value of EB? We don't know what is EB, so that's what we want. EB divided by ED. What is the value of ED? ED is 20 root 3. So 20 root 3. Alright, so here root 3 and root 3 they get cancelled, and let me send the 20 this side. So 20 is equal to EB, or EB is equal to 20 for that matter. EB is equal to 20 meter. Alright, so afterwards, therefore, height of the tower is equal to, how many things are there? Two things are there. The first one is AE, so that is going to be AE plus second one is EB, AE plus EB. So AE is already known, that is 1.7 plus EB is 20, so that's why it becomes 21.7 meter. So height of the tower is going to be 21.7 meter. Alright, so that was quite an interesting question and it's simple also. Then moving forward to the 22nd question. Draw a line segment of length 6 cm. Using compasses and ruler, find a point P on it which divides it in the ratio 5:7. All this is the question related to construction. I will give you idea how to do that. First of all, you have to draw a line of length 6 cm. Alright, so this is the AB with the length 6 cm. Then afterwards you have to draw an acute angle like this. Alright, so here is the acute angle. So let me name this as X. Alright, then 5:7 is there. 5:7 means 5 plus 7, that is equal to 12. 12 equal parts you have to make. Alright, so keep the needle of the compass here at this point, red point, then cut 12 equal parts. First part, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and let us name them as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11 and A12. After doing this, you have to join this A12 and B. Look at this. Let us join them together here. After joining this, now again you have to bring your compass at this point. Look at this point. You have to keep the compass at this point and draw some angle here. Alright, draw some angle like this, one arc, and with the same length of the compass you have to go to the fifth point because it is 5:7, right? Go to the fifth point, keep the needle here, then draw the same arc here. Then afterwards you have to measure, you have to keep the needle here and pencil here, and you have to measure this. Alright, after measuring this, you have to keep the needle here and you have to cut it. Alright, then afterwards what you are supposed to do now, you are supposed to join from A5 through this intersection, and I am going to get a point here which we will name as P. Alright, we can name it as C also, but they are specifically asking find a point P. Let us name this point as P. Alright, so what is this AP ratio to PB? So AP is 5 parts and PB is 7 parts. That's it. The justification also be given through basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, but they are not asking for any justification. They are just asking for this construction. So AP is 5 parts and PB is 7 parts. Done. That's it. Alright, moving forward to the third question. Please concentrate on this construction. This is a short question and definitely this will be asked for 2 marks. Alright, fine. Moving forward to the next question. Let us have a look at this. The circumference of a circle is 22 centimeter. Circumference means, can I call it as perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 22 centimeter. That is known. Calculate area of the quadrant. Alright, area of the quadrant means we need a radius, no? So what is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 22. Then afterwards we'll have 2 into pi is 22/7 into r is equal to 22. 22 they get cancelled, and r is equal to 7/2 centimeter. So this is the radius. Alright, now they are asking us to calculate the area of the quadrant. So you know the formula for area of quadrant, right? So how does the quadrant looks like? I mean, in the circle, here is the circle for example, and here is the center, and we are going to have the quadrant like this. Look at this, whatever I am painting red now, whatever I am shading red, this is called as quadrant, and this is 90 degree. And you know area of quadrant, area of quadrant is equal to, what is the formula? Area of quadrant is equal to 90 divided by 360 into pi r square. Alright, so 90 by 360 is 90 ones are 94s are, it becomes 1 by 4 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square means it becomes 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, 7 get cancelled, and 2 ones are 2 11s are, and 11 into 7 becomes 77, then divided by 4 into 2 is 8. Alright, so 8 ones are 8 9s are 72. Alright, 5 is the carry, then 8 6 are 48, then 2 is the carry, 8 2s are 16, then 4 is the carry, then 8 5s are. So that's why what it becomes 9.625 centimeter square. So this is the area of quadrant, area of quadrant. Alright, they asked in centimeter square, no? So it was there in a centimeter square, and we have put the answer in centimeter square. Alright, moving forward to the last question. 8 questions will be there from 17 to 24. Alright, let us look at this question. The diameter of the base of a right circular cylinder is 28 centimeter. That means diameter is 28 centimeter. D is equal to 28 centimeter. That means radius is going to be D by 2. So D by 2 means it is going to be 28 by 2. 2 ones are 2 14s are, so that's why radius is 14 centimeter. Make it sure that you are doing it like this only. I mean, write big letters and make maximum usage of this space. Alright, and its height is 21 centimeter. Height is also given, so height is equal to 21 centimeter. Now they are asking, what they are asking? They are asking for curved surface area. Find its curved surface area. So what is the formula for curved surface area of cylinder? Curved surface area of cylinder, it is going to be 2 pi RH. Alright, so this formula are very important. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 14 into h. What is the value of h? That is going to be 21. So 7 ones are and 7 twos are, you can do it, 7 twos are. Alright, so then afterwards you can have it as 2 twos are 2 twos are 4 and 4 22s are 88. 88 into 21. If you know the 21 table well and good, otherwise go for this 88 into 21. You can do it as 1 88s are 88 plus 2 8s are 16. 1 is a carry, 2 8s are 16, then 17. 8, then 8 plus 6 is 14, then 7 plus 1 is 8, then 1848 centimeter square, because everything was in centimeter, right? So that's why curved surface area of the cylinder is this much. Alright, so if you solve this, a maximum it is going to take 20 minutes without explanation. With explanation it took me 28 minutes. Even though if it is taking 30 minutes, half an hour also, no issues, you can easily carry forward the all the calculations. Alright then, thank you very much for watching this video, and this is the second video of 2 mark question, and after this another 3 videos will come, third one, fourth one and fifth one. Alright, so make it sure that you are learning all these concepts, and give it a thumbs up, like the video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel also. Thank you very much, have a good day, and bye bye.